Evening all, welcome to another Play Chess com Bullet Banter. So okay, let's see how it goes this evening, 7 PM. Hope audio and visual is okay. We'll pick a 1 minute game. Evening all, welcome to another. Let's mute this over there. This should equalise, shouldn't it? Even more than equalise. King's in the centre. Maybe b6 and bishop a6 is a plan. Maybe a5 first. Make that a little bit better. Swing the knight in. Okay, put some pressure on the E file here, I think. Maybe c5 or f5. Maybe b5. Does that move? B4, c5. Maybe takes first. Okay, this is going to be a target to knight c5. Oh, that's not very nice. Oh, okay. Shedding some pawns here. Trying to undermine the knight while I can. Bishop b7. I think it's pre-move time. That magic time to start some pre-moves, if possible. Okay, yeah. Oh, that was a tough one. Let's try and get some variety tonight. If possible. I'm anticipating bishop attacking there. Okay, does he want to sack a piece? I guess he does. Nope. Okay, it's not. Let's close that. Maybe g5. Is bishop f3 or rook c1 any good? Oh, f5. That looks very tasty because of f6 form pawn. Okay. Let's put the pawn on for queen h5, form pawn, fueled attack. Maybe rook f2 to stop queen c2 though is a consideration. Mind you, the check. Let's go king h1, I think. This looks very winning, this form pawn. Very winning. I think check. Okay, that's pretty desperate. Okay. Traumatizer. I hope not to be traumatized by him. Traumatizer. Try and pre-move that. Is he going to do it? He is going to do it. Come on. Try and hold this pawn. He's giving me this little pawn gambit. in concepts. Okay. On double pawns. Maybe G4. Where's he going? He's not allowed D6, is he? I like it, the server whistles at you. If you play a good move, the server starts whistling as if it's in a good mood. It's a very cheerful server. Starts whistling. Okay. F6, form pawn again. Another form pawn. And he's letting me play Queen H6. For some reason. I thought Queen F8. Okay, thanks, Traumatizer. Or whatever. We're getting another game. Hang on, it's not pre-move now. There could be D5, for all I know. Some pre-move, get some free moves here as an investment for some clock advantage. If I can safely get some pre-moves in, that's handy quite often. Alright, so D6 is a bit of a problem here, to say the least. E3 disruptive. Whoa! Why is he giving me F4? Pins. Pins. Just keep the queen on for the attack potential. Knight H4. What about F3? Is F3 any good? What's his idea? Is his king safe? Knight, what about Knight D2? Hits the queen, stops the use of F1. Let's check. Is he sacking the exchange? Have I got Rook F8? Okay, Rook F8. Alright. Intriguing. What's the idea? What's his idea? What could it be? If I get the queens off with Queen F2? How's this? Not pre-moving? Okay, yeah. Ooh. Okay. Fast and Furious bullet chess. Okay, how are you guys? Hi Drake, hi Valentino. Alright, hope you're enjoying it so far. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty tense, Okay. Can I hit this 2400 mark? I don't think I've been to 2400, have I? That's going to be tricky though, isn't it? A lot of people are very, very quick. Like this guy. He could really tumble the rating down. Very, very easily. Okay, let's not think about it too much. Focus on the game, not the rating. Let the rating take care of itself if it can. Okay. Knight C4 is nasty. Oh, now I'm getting hacked. Okay, hold on. Oh, that bishop. How bad is that bishop? To lose that bishop. Oh, he's got a nice position here. Getting crunched, am I? Don't like the look of this. Oh, there's knight F4 for bishop E. Oh, Okay, okay, this is getting nasty. On 95. I thought there was... Okay, I thought there was a tactic. My B2 is hanging, isn't it? That's a bit unfortunate. My rook's hanging. Yeah, so you could drive my... He's short on time. This guy's a bit slow on the clock. I think that's his weakness at the moment. Gisela, try and get variety, maximum variety here. Okay, so Queen B3 doesn't do anything in particular, it just castles. Actually, get the Queen out of target. Practice. Try and use the G file. This bishop h6, the immediate threat here. Okay, let's hit that knight. Nice whistling, cheerful. Okay, bishop g4. How about, okay, taking. Bishop g4 incoming. Maybe bishop d3 to c3. Or e5 coming up. I've got to be careful about this diagonal bit. I could say that. Okay, yeah, the diagonal again. I wasn't being very careful with that. Okay, because there was Queen d5. Let's try someone else. Try and get a bit of variety tonight. Yes, he's certainly positional. Very positional. Can I get a knight into d4 here out of interest? Maybe knight takes. Because e5 is vulnerable. Okay, knight goes into d4. And then what? Let's parry this. C file or something. Oh, bishop takes. A bit of a tactic. Rook h3 for queen h4. So, okay, queen g5 maybe, or bishop h6. Okay, let's see. Oh, he's going to install a dangerous pawn on c6. Oh. What can I do about this? Nothing. Try and close up that protection of the pawn. Maybe e4 and queen d6 would be a good plan, tactically. If allowed. Let's play for this mate. Will he notice? Yes. Oh, he's going to get dangerous pawns here. Wow. Let's kick this queen. Or not, he's going to check me. You can check me. Can I take off this pawn? Okay. d4 maybe. Oh, this is getting very critical. Okay. I have to run with a check, I think. This is getting very critical, this position. Maybe e2. Check. These pawns look very dangerous. The f file looks dangerous. e2 is good here. Pin that rook. Actually, his queen's hanging. I just noticed his queen's hanging. Okay. This guy's quite quick. Little pre-move investments. See if I can risk a few moves sometimes. Another one with a d5 pawn gambit. What is this about the d5 pawn gambit? Some sort of rule of thumb to play d5 people are using? Is it some sort of dangerous strategy? What about this? Let's try and use this pin, break this dart square blockade. Bit of flash, evening bullet, bit of flash. Oh, fork. Okay, what about e5? Maybe a4. Oh, hang on, let's take that. No, he can't take that knight f6. Oh, he's got knight f6. Maybe he can. No, he can't. No, the two rooks are skewered. The two rooks are skewered. Skewered alert. Oh, he pins. He pins. Ah. Oh. Okay, he could have pinned with rook d2. Okay, it's not over yet. It's not over yet. Okay, get the pawns off the light squares. That bishop is a muncher on light squares. Okay. Okay, can I get my... what do I do? Get the rook off? There is... Okay, let's get the king. Oh, it's pre-move time, I think. He hasn't got a key check, has he? Let's protect the 7th. Try and get a pawn on f6. Let's take this guy. Can the king go around there? Let's duel the pawn. Okay, yeah, it's good to get into pre-move mode and get some investment early on and some pre-moves for an opening which allows pre-moves without total punishment. So King's Indian attack style. Sometimes you can play a few moves without interference, so you can get a sort of pre-move at edge. Time edge. I mean, not pre-move edge. Time edge. Oh, that's a bit nasty. It's a bit worried there. Hold on a sec. What is this? He's calling the shots here. This guy's calling the shots at the moment. Right, let's pressure this e6 pawn. I can't have this guy calling the shots. Okay, c7's attacked. He protects. Maybe a form pawn attack. Will he be prepared for the form pawn attack? No, he's just let me have a form pawn. Let's have the dart squares. No. Dart square clamp. Rook e5, knight f4 plan. If allowed, knight f6 plan. Knight f6. Knight f6. Let's win the exchange. Let's lock down e5. Let's hit f4. Lock down e5 against any liberation ideas. Okay, exchange up there seems plausible. Okay, let's just take that, yeah, because I'm winning that pawn anyway. Winning this pawn anyway. Isn't this enough pawns? As pawns go, pawn knight go. He's gonna surely be in Zugzwang here soon. I didn't mean a knight. Great. I went and got a knight. I How on earth? How on earth do I promote to a knight? I don't even know how to do that consciously. Let's just check. How on earth does it promote to a knight? How annoying! I want a setting to promote to a queen. What is this? Where are the settings here? Where are the settings? Okay, this is ridiculous. All right, okay. Let's I'll have to find out about that later. Okay. Bishop e3. Okay, I can use this C file, can't I? Oh, he's giving me e6 to play with. e6 looks very juicy. Oh, h6 or knight f8 first, then bishop h6 looks juicy. That's juicy. Bishop h6 drops. Okay, that's good news. Retract the bishop. Alright, c file looks pleasant enough. Treble. Fix. I'll go with the queen. Trying to avoid the stalemates. F6. Okay, it did go to a queen this time. That was good news. Otherwise, these could be very, very long games. If I'm promoting to knights. Okay. So the king's got a couple of squares. It's got h7. Oh, I see. You can choose here. I get it. Oh, I think I get it. Okay, one can choose visually. That's amazing. Gambit. Or not. Gambit. Nope. Structural damage. Okay, it looks a little bit dodgy. This actually looks a little bit dodgy. Oh. Oh, I'm on the defensive. It's official. I'm on the defensive. He's got me on the defensive. Can I bring my king up? Oh, he can treble soon. Can I bring my king up to e7? Just in case. Some structure damage? No, maybe not. Oh, hang on. Why have I given him that pawn? I'll take that. D4. Oh, he's got passed pawns here. I think I have to let my rook go. Whoa! Actually, that was pretty dangerous. D5 Gambit? No, it's not Gambit. Okay, it's not Gambit. It's F5. Okay, G5. F6 form pawn. See Kingscrusher channel for form pawn t-shirts. They're below most videos. You get your form pawn t-shirts. Strategy for the modern age form pawns. The greatest secret neural networks taught us. Form pawns. Knight E7 takes and then takes if allowed. Okay, is there... I mean, his bishop's not very healthy, right? I don't have to release his pieces with bishop d4, do I? Necessarily. Can I sneakily use the H... Oh, sneakily take there. Okay, this looks very promising. Yes. Okay, cool. Okay. Michael Nilsson. H4. Hack attack. Quite dangerous on bullets, this sort of thing. If I double the rooks. Okay, I'm threatening. Yeah, I think he should have played Rook H1 earlier. This looks as though this is standard hack attack territory. Right. I think this queen's dropping. Things are dropping. Okay, yeah, things are dropping there. Right. Have I got Rook F2 on the cards? Potentially. Rook F2. Form pawn there. Queen A3. There's Bishop D3. There's potential for carnage here, surely. Although I've let him off with the queens coming off, haven't I? I bet. D3. keep that pin down. Okay, thanks. 2400. 2400. This is a peak. 2400 a bullet on this server. That's a peak. Anyway, 2400. Can I last one game at 2400? That's the question. They were pretty quick, pretty dangerous. Hold on. That's just H5 is annoying, isn't it? Well, that was an interesting decision. Okay. Oh, what was wrong with knight f2 anyway? Oh, he's going to attack me. This guy, that's really unfair. What have I done to deserve this attack? Okay. That might not have been the best way to proceed. Okay. I didn't know he was going to do it to Gambit. Sequence? Okay. This guy's tricked me already. Knight d4 to f5. Is that any good? Bishop g3 or knight f5, I wonder. Or knight c6 or knight f5. Hang on. Knight f5. Okay, let's hold d5 because he's given me that opportunity to hold the d5 pawn. And let's drag. Okay, I don't want to lose that bishop necessarily. Try and soak up the pressure here if possible. Can I try and break this pawn structure he's got? Oh. Okay, it's a bit tricky, isn't it? Oh, it's giving me a passed pawn in the centre. Surely that's just winning. It's winning, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, it all happens very quickly. This is becoming my very lazy system for any blitz time control. I think I have seen some Leela games with this as white as well, though. As inspiration. Oh, hang on. There's knight e4. Wait a sec. Can't do this. Got to proceed with caution here. d5. Maybe prepare e4 or something. d4. C5. C5. Try and lock down F4 immediately. Emergency blockader. I've got Rook F3 anyway. Well, let's play Rook F3 to H3. Oh, this is the sadistic treatment. I should have just played, yeah, more normally. Okay, being ultra sadistic here. What about E2 there? In that position there was E2, wasn't there? Okay, let's try and not get mated. Hold on. Can the king come in? Okay. Oh no, I've just dropped a pawn. It's official. I dropped a pawn there. Is he releasing the tension? Oh, that's a bit bad temptation to have because he released the tension there. Maybe G4 knight F5. Bishop F4 or something. I'll take this guy. Bishop F6 looks dangerous, but maybe Queen D2 first for Queen H6. Oh, there's not even a knight D7. He hasn't even facilitated knight D7. So this is coming in more effectively, surely. Okay. Yeah. All right. 24-20. Something. This seems to be the knight for records to be broken. Knight D5. F5. Looks good. I'll just drop that pawn. Hang on. This guy's dangerous, isn't he? Why am I dropping this pawn? Why did I do that? Is it because he's dangerous? Bishop E3. I'm dropping another pawn. Oh, it's definitely dangerous. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm material down. Big material down. Can I get any compensation? Oh. Uh-oh. I'm losing even more material. Hold on. I'm losing even more material. Oh, emergency situation. Crikey. I'm getting done over. Did he make a mistake there? Okay, maybe that's a good time to stop. I'll leave it at 100% record, yeah. Okay, I think it's a good time to stop after that. Let's stop on that point. I hope you enjoyed today. See you next week. Yeah, 1 fun, 10 boring. Okay, now when I'm starting to crack, that's the time to go. Yeah, I think. Okay. Until next time. Another installment of Bullet Chess next week. Thanks very much.